Hey guys, welcome back to Maths Mentor with me. I've got first class honors in mathematics from one of the top 10 universities. So let's now go through, we're going to go back to solving equations. We already showed you how it's done when you have a symbol x on one side or an unknown letter, an unknown quantity, and you want to rearrange it so you get the x on one side, left side equals to the answer. But then we give you a few examples, but it can be a bit more complicated. So what if you were to have unknown quantity on both sides? Meaning, for let's give you an example. Say you have so this is unknown on both sides. So a bit more complicated now. So if you watch our videos, we're gonna go through step by step, making it harder as we go along, and you're learning together. Okay, so we got to say 5x minus 4 that equals 3x minus 10. All right. So now we got x on both sides. So how do we arrange this particular equation? Again, let's just go back to the first example we gave you where we said in order to get x to one side, you have to either add or subtract on both sides or multiply or divide on both sides. It's the same principle. All you're trying to do, add or subtract or so subtract, multiply or divide, sorry. So look, we want to get 5x and 3. We want to get the x's on one side and the numbers on the other side. And we're going to break it up, but as you get better and better, it gets a little bit more like second nature. So let's give you an example. We want to get the 3x on this side, and we want to get rid of the 3x here. So how do we do that? How do we get rid of 3x on this side? We have to minus 3x. So now we got 5x minus 3x minus 4, the previous 4 that we had. That equals, here's a 3x minus a 3x, because we want to get rid of it, minus 10. All right, so we still got the 10. We've just added this extra quantity on both sides, so it's really balancing it out. So what's 5x minus 3x? That's 2x. Don't forget that minus 4. Both the 3x here disappears. That equals minus 10. Yes? Now we want to get the numbers on one side. So in order to get rid of that 4, we have to plus 4. So now we got 2x minus 4 plus 4. That equals minus 10 plus 4. So now we added these two quantities. So that get rid of it. Sorry, that's 2x. That equals, what's minus 4 plus 6? You can use your calculator if you're still not certain. That's minus 6. Then now, how do you get rid of the 2? So we're going to have to divide both sides by 2. So we've got 2x divided by 2. That equals minus 6 divided by 2. Yeah, so that gets rid of the 2. Now we got x equals minus 3. So that's how you do equations when you have alphabets or unknown quantities on both sides. A little bit more complicated. Go through this step, go through the video thoroughly, and we're going to give you a few examples later on.